Congratulations! You've made it to the final session of this 7-module AI-inspired PowerPoint course. I hope you've enjoyed the journey and picked up a lot of useful skills along the way. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to record your presentation as a video using PowerPoint. It's a simple process with a few different options depending on your needs. First, head to the Record tab. From there, you have a few options. You can click Export to Video, and PowerPoint will export your entire presentation as a video file. Alternatively, you can choose to record from beginning or current slide if you want to narrate or control the timing manually. Click the red dot to record and again to stop. Groom Tex Beard Moisturizer is specially formulated. If you make a mistake or want to start over, click Clear Recordings to remove the audio and timing and try again. One last option is to go to File and then Export and create a video. From here, choose your resolution and then click Create Video to save your file. Thank you for watching, and again, well done for completing the full course. I hope it inspires you to keep exploring, creating, and innovating with PowerPoint and AI tools.